Now we're gonna do the unboxing of the MTM Scientific AM radio loop antenna. This is actually a kit to build your own loop antenna. It is designed for radio amateurs, for the listeners of the AM medium wave band, and there is said that it would help you to receive the weak and far away signals. So here is the box. What I've got here are the stickers. And now I'm gonna do the unboxing actually. Let's see what we have here. And some wood red oak TQM, so it will be the carcass for the antenna. And here is the wire, copper wire, and also here are some detail. Well, just it will be just like that size. So let's compare it with my other antenna, and it is Grundig Kaito or Texun AN200, and it is also designed for better performance of the weak stations. So let's compare it by size. I see that this antenna will be just like this, and we see that it is much bigger than this antenna, Grundig AN200. Well, and the answer is simple, just as it can be. There is the instruction for this. Instruction for well, there are all the details of the components to build this. Here is a condensator of various capacity, and this packet. Here is rare to find variable capacitor, yeah. And there is a just edition of this, which includes only this capacitor, and it is derived by turning it. We'll just tune it from the 520 to the 1700 kilohertz. Well, it's like this. So I'm gonna do what is written in the instruction, and so I can mount an antenna that will be useful for me.